Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the official Can You Run It scanner. Run it as administrator so it can read system specs. Once done, close browsers and background apps to free 0.5 to 1 GB of RAM and avoid false negatives. Make sure your connection is stable and disable VPNs or proxies for the initial test because network interference can block the agent. This immediate setup gets the tool accurate data fast and lets you move on to the real compatibility checks without delay. You now read the report carefully. Compare detected CPU, GPU, and RAM against both minimum and recommended columns. Once you identify gaps, use provided driver update links and set Windows Power Mode to high performance to eliminate throttling. Make sure to update graphics drivers through the vendor utility for best gains. If the GPU is the limiting factor, lower presets, test at 720p, and reduce texture quality. Doing this shows you how close you can get to playable performance without immediate upgrades. You finish by rerunning the scan after any driver updates or setting changes to confirm the new compatibility status. If the scanner fails or returns inconsistent data, reinstall the scanner, run System File Checker, and verify your antivirus or firewall is not blocking it. Once results are stable, prioritize upgrades based on percent gaps. Focus on GPU first, then CPU, followed by RAM or storage. This approach closes the loop and gives you one clear troubleshooting step if something still goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.